Hi, welcome to Teju's Healthy Eats, the only paneer butter masala recipe I trust. Inspired by Chef Ranveer Brar, and after trying countless versions, this is the one I keep coming back to. It's foolproof, restaurant style, perfectly balanced, and honestly, once you make this, you will never want to order it again. So let's get started. You'll need 6 medium tomatoes and 3 cashews per tomato. One of mine is larger, so I'm using 5 tomatoes total with 6 cashews for the bigger one. No canned tomatoes or tomato paste, no shortcuts, no heavy cream overload. Just a beautifully balanced, authentic paneer butter masala with a silky gravy that melts in your mouth. Before we start cooking, let's prepare the yogurt masala blend. This is the chef's tip for getting the depth and flavor and deep color without using any food color. In a bowl, add red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, plain yogurt, and a few cubes of butter. This blend helps create richness without needing cream, and it prevents the yogurt from splitting later. Here's a quick glance at everything you need: the whole spices, aromatics, tomatoes, yogurt blend, and paneer. In a Dutch oven, drizzle a little olive oil. This stops the butter from burning, and then add your ghee or clarified butter. Now, whole spices, bay leaf, green cardamom, cloves. Once the spices start giving off a beautiful aroma, we saute onions just until they soften, no browning needed. Add crushed garlic, chopped ginger, one fresh green chili, and 2 dry red chilies. Once everything is fragrant and aromatic, add the yogurt masala blend. Cook this mixture until the raw smell disappears and the masala turns bubbly. This step is key for depth and balance. Next, add in the cashews and the tomatoes. Quick pause. Did you know over 70% of the viewers watch the video, like it, and forget to subscribe? Take 2 seconds to hit like and subscribe. Done? Done! Alright, back to the recipe. Now sprinkle in the red chili powder and salt. Pour in the water and cover the pot. Let this cook for at least 15 minutes or until the tomatoes turn completely mushy and soft. While the tomatoes cook, soak your paneer in warm, lightly salted water. This keeps the paneer super soft, melt in mouth, and there's no need to fry it. Frying actually makes paneer rubbery, soaking keeps it creamy and perfect. Once the tomatoes are done, remove the whole spices if you like and blend the mixture until completely smooth. For an even silkier restaurant-style finish, pass the gravy through a strainer. This removes any remaining bits and gives you that ultra-smooth, luxurious texture. Now here's the most important chef's tip, the second tadka. Most paneer butter masala recipes skip this, but this one step makes the biggest difference. In the same pot, melt butter, add chopped onions, and saute until soft. Then add a little red chili powder and 1 chopped tomato. Cook this until the butter separates. This adds sweetness, depth, and that signature restaurant-style finish. Now pour in the blended gravy and let everything simmer gently. Crush dried fenugreek leaves between your palms. This releases their aroma beautifully and gives uniform flavor. Add a teaspoon of sugar or extra butter or adjust salt if you want the classic restaurant-style richness. Now add the soaked paneer and let everything simmer on low to medium heat for at least 5 minutes so the flavors seep into the paneer. Transfer to a bowl, Finish with a swirl of fresh plain yogurt. Cream is optional, but I love the lightness of yogurt and top it with fresh cilantro. And that's it, the only paneer butter masala recipe I trust. Balanced, silky, and absolutely delicious with naan or plain basmati rice. If you try it, let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.